Hello kids! Welcome to our channel Simple Color Studio. Today we are going to draw a very cute shark. Let's start drawing. First I am drawing its head. Cute eyes. Then its nose and mouth like this, with sharp and pointed teeth like this. Let's continue with its body parts and fins at the back. Now I am drawing its tail. And there are aquatic plants on the sides. This shark is reminding me of Baby Shark song. Let's draw the bottom of C. Fantastic! Now I am making this drawing more visible. Let's color. First I am coloring the aquatic plants. Dark green, light green, yellow green. Same colors on the remaining plants. Now I am coloring the shark. Dark gray. Its fins are gray. Red in its mouth. Now I am coloring the face of shark with dark pink color. Yes, it's a pink shark. Now light pink. Now I am drawing wavy lines with this aquamarine marker. Light brown. Yay! Awesome! Our shark is looking so cute. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.